to Big Dad's Cooking Show. You know what we're gonna do today? We got something on the line of the etouffee, but I'm gonna use shrimp and I'm gonna put sausage in mine. And you know what? Let's get started. So now I'm gonna put my butter in my skillet right here. Oh yeah. Let it melt down a little bit. Rotate it around. So I got my shrimp seasoned already with that, and I always use 100% of my own seasonings, but this time I got a buddy of mine from Who that actually gave me some Cajun seasoning, so I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm melting my butter down. I'm gonna put my vegetables in here with my butter. Let's get that out of the way. I got some butter in this other skillet for my shrimp. Let's get them started. So we're gonna let those vegetables kind of saute down a little bit, a little at a time. I got my shrimp right there going in the other skillet. And I got my shrimp right there, and I like to keep them slow and low. That's right, baby. Got my vegetables sauteing right there. It takes a little time, but hey, when you're a cook and a professional, that is, chef, you want to take your time and cook everything right, baby. Now that my shrimp is almost cooked, I'm going to add my sausage with my shrimp. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at those flavors just mixing, baby. Now that I got my vegetables caramelized where I want them, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of flour to my butter and vegetables, and I'm going to kind of let them brown, but you got to babysit this a little bit because you don't want it to brown too fast and stick to your pan. So once you get your vegetables and your roux kind of creamy, you want to add 2 cups of water, but 1 cup at a time, and it's hot water, that is. So I'm going to add 1 cup right now, kind of stir it around. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm going to turn that fire down a little bit. Yes, indeed. That's how you want it. Let's add our other cup of water right there. Looking some delicious. Right there is the finishing product. You know professionals always have to garnish their plates. Ooh, look at that. Man, and that's it for Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and on YouTube. And last but not least, be safe.